Removing your rigid lenses is quick and easy. Wash hands and dry thoroughly with a clean lint-free towel. Sit in front of your mirror lying flat. Lean over your mirror, face parallel to the mirror. Block your lower eyelid against the eye at the eyelash line without pressing too hard on the eye. Be careful not to flip or see the pink part of your eyelid. Lift your upper eyelid to the lash line. Then, bring your eyelids together to tilt the lens out of the eye. Accompany it with your fingertips. Massage your lens in the palm of your hand with multifunction solution or saline. Never rinse with tap water or mineral water to avoid contamination. Place the lens in its case. Fill it with multifunction solution and soak your lenses for at least 6 hours. Change the product every day. As soon as you change your multifunction solution bottle, remember to change your case. Recommendations: remove your lenses before removing your makeup. Do not put in your lenses if you have eye irritation or if they are damaged or chipped. Do not shower or bathe with your lenses in. If you feel any discomfort at all, refer to your healthcare professional for advice.